Welcome to Narai-juku in Nagano, Japan. My name is Daria and today I will take you on a beautiful journey through this city. You can see beautiful wooden architecture here, and also we'll be trying to reach to local people, communicate and maybe ask them about the city. Let's go!
Narai-juku, located in Shiojiri, Nagano, is a historic post town. In the Edo period, these towns flourished as rest stops for travelers on major routes. It lies at the halfway point of the Nakasendō, the trail that connected Tokyo and Kyoto. While its beautiful traditional townscape remains, we will look beyond the scenery to show you the unknown Narai-juku through the lives of the local people.
Oh, you can see some beautiful temple. Let's take a look.
Hello.
Good morning.
This is Senbei Temple. It was built 250 years ago. While tourists can look inside, local residents also come here every morning to pray. By chanting sutras, they can express their gratitude to the Buddha for being able to live their daily lives with the support of many people.
Please be careful. Watch out for the step here and what's above you. You've come a long way to visit us today. You are our most important guest. Please, come on in.
Excuse me.
This is a special room. During the Edo period, only a select few high-ranking people, such as the shogun, were permitted to stay here and receive hospitality.
The most important person would sit here, and they would be entertained with sake and other things.
Although it may not be noticeable at first glance, the tatami mats and ceiling also feature the most formal and high-status design. It is a luxurious space crafted with meticulous attention to detail.
I'm about to visit Narai-juku. Do you have any recommendations for places to see?
There are people who have lived here for a very long time, so try striking up a conversation with them. Try to create opportunities to interact with them. I think it would be great if you not only see the townscape, but also connect with the people.
I'll try talking to people and have fun.
Please, enjoy yourself as you explore the town.
Thank you very much.
Wow, what a beautiful place. Oh, I've seen so many of those. What is this water place? Maybe it's kind of a trademark of this city?
Daria-san.
Oh, hello, I'm Daria. It's nice to meet you.
I'm Saitō.
Nice to meet you too, Saitō-san. What is this place?
This is called a mizuba, a water place.
This is what's known as a mizuba, which means a watering place. Long ago, travelers would stop here to quench their thirst. Furthermore, in the days before refrigeration, it was also used to keep vegetables and fruits cool.
May I have a taste?
Go ahead.
Thank you, I'll have some. It's very delicious.
This water flows down from the mountains.
It's true, this place is surrounded by mountains. It's really delicious. Do you live here in Narai-juku?
Yes, I live here. I was born and raised in this town.
Then you must know this town very well. Would you be able to show me around?
Alright, I'd be happy to.
I'm looking forward to it.
The best way to get to know Narai-juku is to connect with the local people. Let's start by visiting a few local shops. First is Mr. Saitō's lacquerware shop. Lacquerware is a traditional Japanese craft. Items are made by coating wood or bamboo with the sap of the lacquer tree, giving them excellent durability and beauty.
Is this made of wood too?
It's wood coated with lacquer and has raden added to it. Raden is a technique that uses mother of pearl.
Wow, so that's why it turns such a deep blue.
That's right. That's a world map.
So visitors put a pin on their home country. I wonder if Poland is here. Ah, there it is. So you get a lot of tourists.
We get a lot of tourists from Europe. This is a senbei or a rice cracker shop.
Rice crackers. Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Wow.
This is senbei, a traditional Japanese rice cracker. It's typically made by stretching rice-based dough into a thin layer, baking it, and seasoning it with things like soy sauce. It is widely loved for its hard and crunchy texture.
Do you grill them?
We arrange the dough on a wire mesh and grill it from below. After that, we crack it and apply soy sauce. And we make it so that the soy sauce soaks into the cracks.
How many years has this shop been open?
The shop itself has been here for about 50 years. My mother started this shop by selling lacquerware like this. It was my father who started selling senbei. I think we've been doing that for about 25 years now.
So you run it as a family. That's wonderful.
Would you like to try a rice cracker?
Really? I'd love to try one.
This is our soy sauce senbei. Please give it a try.
It's so big.
Wow, looks so delicious.
It's a warm and crispy rice cracker.
Is it warm? Thank you. I'll have some. It's very delicious. It really is warm and crispy.
We make this senbei so that people can enjoy it while walking around.
And it's cute too. It's shaped like an ice cream cone.
So tasty.
This is a souvenir shop called Nakasendō. They handle products made of bamboo.
Oh, it's a souvenir shop.
Shall we go inside?
Let's go inside.
Ah, this place is with souvenirs. It looks so traditional. Let's go inside.
This is very beautiful. What is it?
This is called an Edo furin or Edo-style wind chime. It's made of glass, and when the wind blows, it sways and makes a sound.
It's beautiful. Is this something you display in your home?
By hearing this sound during the hot summer, you can feel a sense of coolness.
It makes you feel cooler.
That's right, you can feel cooler just from the sound.
That's very interesting.
Hanging up wind chimes to enjoy the sound is one of the classic features of a Japanese summer.
You're right. It's a beautiful sound.
涼しいですね、確かに。しかも、まあ、あれですかね。風が吹くから涼しく感じる。
Here you are. It's gohei-mochi.
Gohei-mochi.
Okay, let's try gohei-mochi.
Gohei-mochi is a Japanese regional dish made of cooked rice that is pounded, put on a skewer, and grilled until savory and fragrant. Here at Tokuria, you can enjoy 3 different flavors.
So good. Looks so nice. ありがとうございます。
Soba noodles, which I'm sure you know, are a famous local specialty. Please don't hesitate to slurp them loudly. It's the best way to enjoy them.
やってみます。
I'll give it a try. How is it?
You are very good at it.
I'm so happy.
By slurping them, you can better experience the aroma and flavor of the soba.
This is fun. Thank you for the meal. It was delicious.
How did you like it?
Yes, it was very delicious. You look so young. May I ask your age?
I'm 84 years old.
I can't believe it.
I'm full of energy thanks to everyone. I can stay energetic because so many different people come to the shop.
That's really wonderful. Thank you for today. It was delicious.
This afternoon, we'll delve deeper into Narai-juku through its culture and nature. First, let's visit one of the most important buildings in Narai-juku.
What is this place?
Let's go inside.
Huh? This is the door?
That's right, this is the door.
Excuse me. What is this place?
This building used to be a comb wholesaler. Now it's designated as an important cultural property of the country. The traditional appearance of a Narai-juku house is still perfectly preserved. Just like in Kyoto, the buildings are constructed to be long and narrow. Back then, there was a tax system where you paid more for a wider storefront, so they were designed to be narrow and deep. This is the kitchen.
It's so spacious. It's like something out of a movie.
This is the ozashiki or guest room. It's where you entertain guests.
It's so lovely. Whoa. It's a garden.
Yes, this is the garden. And in the back, there is a storehouse.
This place is really nice.
That's right. A cool breeze comes in too.
It's like a traditional Japanese garden in this house.
With these, in total there are 200 statues.
This is called the 200 Jizo. Jizo are Japanese Buddhist deities, and there are about 200 statues lined up here. Although they can be found all over Japan, it is very rare for such a large number to be gathered in one place. So, why is that?
When the road was being built, all the Jizo statues from the surrounding area were gathered here.
So that's why there are so many of them in this place. They're covered with a cloth, but why?
The townspeople, out of kindness, put them on each one. Every single one is different.
That's true. Their faces are different too.
There are some Jizo with their hands together in prayer, and various others.
Next, this is Shizume Shrine. Long ago, when an epidemic spread through Narai-juku, a deity was brought from Katori Jingu Shrine in Chiba Prefecture to be enshrined here. The name Shizume comes from the verb shizumeru, meaning to pacify or to quell. The shrine was built to pacify the disease.
This tree is huge. Is it a special tree?
This is the Goshinboku at the front of the shrine, a sacred tree where God is believed to dwell.
Does every shrine have a sacred tree Goshinboku?
I think most shrines have one, but it's rare for one to be at the very front of the shrine.
That's right. I've never seen one.
It was a small tree when the shrine was built, but it's been 400 years, so it has grown this big. You ring this to pray to the gods.
When you pray at a shrine, you toss in a coin, put your hands together, and bow.
What is this building?
We have a festival in August, and the equipment used for it, like the portable shrine, is kept inside.
I wonder if I can see it.
You might be able to see it if you peek inside.
You're right, I can see it.
That portable shrine is also made with lacquerware. Please come and visit again on August 12th.
I want to go. What road is this?
This is the Nakasendō trail, and it leads to the Torii Pass.
What kind of bell is this?
These are placed here and there. They're bells to ward off bears. Please try ringing one.
Bears, don't come.
That's scary. Saitō-san, what do you find most charming about Narai-juku?
When I was about 20, the utility poles and wires were removed, creating the scenery you see now. So for me, this is just natural. It's everyday life. Some other post towns don't allow cars to enter. However, in Narai-juku's case, people still live here, so we can't close the road to traffic. In the old days, carts would travel along the Nakasendō trail, and it's really the same as cars driving here now. That's what I explained to visitors. It wasn't created just as a tourist spot. You can see the lives of the people who actually live here, and that landscape of old Japan is the true charm of Narai-juku.
Today we've experienced so many interesting things in the city, Narai-juku. I think what makes it really special is that you can really feel as a part of this community. I was expecting it to be a very touristy place, but while meeting all the local people, everybody greeted us with a big smile. It's very fun to try to communicate and talk to local people, to really enjoy this atmosphere to the fullest. If you guys liked our video, please subscribe our channel. See you on the next journey. Bye bye!
Unknown Japan hosts engaging meetup events, both online and offline. Experience authentic Japanese culture and join our workshops to collaborate on YouTube production with our team. Interested? Click the link down in the description.